Happy day, data people. Um, I had a busy day at work today, so I feel like my energy level is a little low, so I apologize. But over the weekend, I created a script, a Python script that essentially, what I was trying to do was scan my tenant, grab back all of the reports, and then the essentially make it I could search through any report and find, let's say, a specific chart type, what reports that chart type was in. So if it's in 5 reports, I could bring all those reports back and see what reports that exist in. I was kind of vibe coding it, so the video is really fast. So I just wanted to slow down and show you today what that script looks like, or what the end result of it looks like. So you can kind of see my screen right now. It is compiling the results right now. So once it's done, I'll pull up the screen, and then we can kind of jump into how we can search through it. So um, if you're kind of new to my channel, I really like making tools that help Power BI, but I really like what I like doing is not looking at like one data set at a time or one report at a time. I like looking at the entire tenant at once and trying to find stuff or try to understand how's that tenant doing or how that workspace doing. So that's a lot of my content is about, but there's other things too. Um, I'm really more of like a concept guy. I throw concepts out there. I don't really go into a lot of detail, but what I'm hoping to do is provide you with concepts of what you can do and what's possible with Power BI, with your Power BI service, workspace, really anything. So hopefully this script is done soon. It's still scanning through it. It should be done here shortly, and I can kind of show you the output then. Okay, so here it's launching here. I'm gonna move this to a new window. So very basic um, search functionality. So I can start typing in really anything. So let's say cards. So I have 8 reports that are using cards. A lot of it is usage metrics reports. I had a card visual in the product report, things like that. Let me pull it up and we can kind of search through this and see. I'll pull up the report specifically so we can actually find these visual types in them. One moment while that's popping up. Okay, so we'll log in here. And I think that was in sales. Let me look at it. I'm going to look for this right here. So it's card visual, uh, my product report. We'll filter this down to my reports. So it should be a card visual in here. Let's see if how accurate this is. Yep. So right here. So like if I go edit, and then I can see what visual it is populating. So it's the card. So perfect. It's working how I want it to. I can look at these two. Let's see what this is. This is specifically an area chart. So let's search for area chart and see if that comes up. Area chart. I think it's like that. Area chart. So we do have the product report. We have another one too here. It does say this is a stacked area chart. So let's look at the sales analysis dashboard here. Let's go out. I think it's right here. And then I'll look to see if we have that. I think this is what it would be, and that's going to be the stacked. Yeah, so it's very accurate and detailed actually, because this is a different chart. It's not the area chart, it's the stacked area chart, and this actually finds that. Um, Yeah, to be honest, I don't know how much I would use this. I think the concept is good because you're searching through it. You can find visuals. If you want to find like report concepts on a line chart or something interesting, and you want to get some examples to help you maybe develop something, this is probably a good way to do that. There's probably other use cases as well. So, but I thought this would be cool. It's how you can integrate Python, Power BI service, and search not just one data set, all of your data sets. So very cool. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, rest of the weekend. Uh, talk to you later, everybody. Bye.